Hi, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Also, 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Aohi MagCube 65W, perfect for this M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of SSD space. So here you go. Here's the box that it comes with. Comes with the cable as well. It's a nice braided cable, and as you saw, the orange light was showing that it was charging the computer. So we're going to boot this up, and while it's booting up, here is the iPhone charging cable. This is also for your iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone 11 Pro Max, which I show right here. That's the Pro Max right there. And it's USB-C on one end, and it's Lightning on the other, and it's fast charging. And as we can see here, the computer has booted up and it is charging. There it is. So it's working great. This comes with an Apple charger, of course, and an Apple charging cord, but I like this really high-end braided cord, and it actually shows if it's charging or not, or what's happening with the charge level with the lighting on top of the MagCube. Plus, this takes up a lot less room in your travel bag. You can charge your iPad Pro, all of your Apple gadgets pretty much with this charger. And I like that it's showing that the battery's charging. So here you go. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.